Windy AI Photo Editor can create new settings and scenes for your product photo shoot without a huge cost and time involved. Go to Tools on Windy AI and select Background Replace. You can upload your product photo or select from images in your existing library. Once you selected your product photo, Windy AI will automatically detect the background for you. Then you can tweak and refine the background mask that has been selected automatically for you. Next, you can type in the prompt for the setting you want. In this case, I want to put my hamburger image in a forest setting. So I type lush forest setting. Depending on various factors, a new image can take anywhere from 8 to 20 seconds to generate. Here I can review the 4 images returned to me. If I change my mind, I can tap on Options and set a new scene. I am now thinking of a snowy mountaintop background, so I type that in. After a few seconds, I can again review my product images in a new setting. Now I want to change the setting to a more traditional one where the hamburger is on a marble countertop in a kitchen. After I type in the new scene, hit Generate and wait for a few seconds, I get a new set of product images. If I don't like what I see, I can always tap on the Retry button to generate a fresh set of images. You can also use the prompt suggestion feature to get new ideas of various product background settings. Let me try something fun and creative. Another way to edit your product photos is to directly edit it in our photo editor. First, tap on Select and then Auto. Windy AI will automatically select the subject for you. In this case, you want to select the background to change. Tap on Scene button to invert the selection to change the mask from the subject to the background. In this case, there are some stray pieces of lettuce that I also want to mask out. Tap on the Brush button and then use the brush to mask the pieces of lettuce. You can also select a bigger brush size for faster brushing. Then select Repaint, which will repaint the masked out area. Here I used the prompt suggestion and put my hamburger underwater with some coral reef just to see how that looks. Maybe a bad idea? Let's try a safer prompt instead. How about putting it on a light birch table? I also like my burger to go with some fries and soda. We hope you find Windy AI useful for your product photo shoot and other photo editing work. Thanks for watching.